Americans isn't a secret stock, a crypto coin, or a get-rich-quick strategy. It's something so simple that many wealthy investors use it to build wealth quietly for decades. And here's the shocking part. Most people ignore it because it sounds boring. Millionaires don't need more excitement. They need more time, lower costs, and smarter decisions. That's why they love ETFs. Today, I'm going to show you what ETFs really are, why they're trusted by millions of American investors, and how they can help you build wealth without spending hours watching the stock market every day. Don't skip this video because one mistake with investing can cost you years of financial progress. What is an ETF? Let's keep this simple. Imagine walking into a grocery store with $100. You could spend it all on one item, or you could buy a basket filled with hundreds of different products. Which sounds safer? That's exactly what an ETF does. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Instead of buying one company, an ETF can give you exposure to hundreds or even thousands of investments with a single purchase. When you buy the right ETF, you're not betting your future on one company, you're investing in businesses across an entire market or sector. You're buying diversification. Why do millionaires love ETFs? Millionaires understand something most people don't. Rule number one, protect your money before trying to multiply it. The wealthiest investors aren't always asking, how can I double my money next month? They're asking, how can I still be wealthy 20 or 30 years from now? So this is their showing. That's where ETFs shine. Millions of US households own ETFs, and ETF assets in the United States have grown into the trillions of dollars. Investors frequently cite diversification, ease of investing, and lower costs among the reasons they choose ETFs. Reason number one, they don't have to be right every time. Here's one of the biggest lies in investing. You must pick the next Apple or Amazon to become wealthy. No, you don't. If America wins, you win. If hundreds of great businesses continue growing over time, your investments can grow alongside them. You don't need to find the next superstar company. You need consistency. Reason number two, low fees can make a huge difference. Imagine two investors. Both earn the same market returns for 30 years. The difference? One pays significantly higher fees every single year. Small percentages become enormous amounts over decades. Millionaires understand that keeping more of what you earn is just as important as growing it. That's why many long-term investors pay close attention to expense ratios before investing. Reason three, they buy time, not just investments. The richest people in the world cannot buy more time. Neither can we. But we can stop wasting it. Would you rather spend the next 20 years chasing stock tips every morning? Or would you rather spend 20 years consistently investing while focusing on your family, career, business, and life? Millionaires don't just buy assets, they buy simplicity. The biggest mistake new investors make. Many Americans delay investing because they believe they don't have enough money. They think investing starts when they become wealthy. The truth? Wealth often begins when investing becomes a habit, not when your paycheck becomes bigger. Another common mistake is chasing whatever everyone else is talking about. Today's hot stock becomes tomorrow's forgotten headline. But long-term investing isn't supposed to be exciting every single day. It's supposed to work quietly. An important warning. I want to be completely honest with you. ETFs are powerful, but they are not magic. They do not guarantee profits. They do not eliminate risk. The stock market can go down. Some ETFs are also riskier than others. Buying something simply because it has ETF in its name is never a strategy. Always understand what you own before investing. There is no substitute for patience, discipline, and continuous learning. What do smart investors focus on? They ask four simple questions. 1. What am I investing in? 2. How much am I paying in fees? 3. Am I diversified enough? 4. Can I stay invested when markets become uncomfortable? The last question may be the most important, because investing isn't a test of intelligence. It's often a test of behavior. If you've watched this video until now, I want you to remember one thing. Millionaires don't become wealthy because they know more secrets than everyone else. They become wealthy because they make better decisions consistently for longer periods of time. That's what we're building on this channel. No hype, no unrealistic promises, no shortcuts, Just practical financial education designed to help you become more confident with your money, one smart decision at a time. If this video helped you understand ETFs better, subscribe and join our growing community. Because financial freedom isn't built in a day, it's built decision by decision. And remember, the best time to start learning about money was years ago. The second best time is today. I'll see you in the next video.